These are the shocking scenes as wildfires rage across the Los Angeles area, prompting a state of emergency and forcing over 30,000 people to flee their homes. A fire in Pacific Palisades, home to many celebrities, exploded from 10 acres to over 3,000 acres on Tuesday, driven by powerful Santa Ana winds reaching 50 miles per hour. Scenes of destruction show homes engulfed in flames. And streets blocked by abandoned cars, which were eventually cleared by bulldozers to allow firefighters access. A second blaze in Altadena that erupted near a nature preserve has spread rapidly. Leading to care home staff being forced to push residents in wheelchairs and hospital beds to a nearby parking lot to await evacuation. These conditions fueled a third fire in Silmar, a suburban neighborhood in the San Fernando Valley, which burned 100 acres in a short time frame. The fires have also disrupted the entertainment industry, with the premieres of Better Man, Unstoppable and Wolfman cancelled. With dry conditions and high winds forecast to continue, officials warn of worsening threats to life and property in the days ahead.